Did you know that Ethiopia has many unique cultural festivals that celebrate history, identity, and community? One of the most fascinating celebrations is Fiichee-Chambalaalla, the traditional New Year festival of the Sidama people in southern Ethiopia. This colorful festival represents unity, family, blessings, and the beginning of a new year. In this video, we will explore the history, meaning, and celebration of Fiichee-Chambalaalla. Fiichee-Chambalaalla is the traditional New Year festival of the Sidama people. It is celebrated every year in the Sidama region and brings together families, elders, and communities. The festival symbolizes renewal, unity, gratitude, and hope for the coming year. The celebration is an important part of Sidama cultural identity and reflects their strong traditions and community values. According to Sidama oral tradition, the origin of Fiichee-Chambalaalla comes from a story about a Sidama woman. Long ago, this woman used to prepare a special meal for her family at a particular time of the year. This meal was called Fiichee. Over time, the tradition of preparing and sharing food spread across the community. Families began gathering together to celebrate and mark the start of a new year. Community elders then announced the new year. This announcement was called Chambalaalla. Eventually, the two traditions combined, creating the festival known today as Fiichee-Chambalaalla. During the festival, families prepare traditional Sidama foods and share them with relatives and neighbors. Food sharing is very important because it represents unity and friendship among the community. Elders play an important role during the celebration. They give blessings for peace, prosperity, and a successful year ahead. People also wear beautiful traditional Sidama clothing decorated with bright colors and cultural designs. Music and dancing are another major part of the festival. Traditional songs are performed and communities gather to celebrate together. Young people, elders, and families all participate in the celebrations, making it a joyful and memorable event. Fiichee-Chambalaalla is more than just a festival. It represents the cultural heritage and identity of the Sidama people. It strengthens family bonds and encourages cooperation among community members. The festival also teaches younger generations about their history, traditions, and cultural values. Because of its cultural importance, Fiichee-Chambalaalla is respected and preserved by the Sidama community. In 2015, the cultural importance of Fiichee-Chambalaalla was recognized internationally. The organization UNESCO included the festival on its list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. This recognition helped promote the festival worldwide and highlighted the importance of preserving traditional cultures. Fiichee-Chambalaalla is a beautiful celebration of culture, unity, and renewal. For the Sidama people, it is not only the beginning of a new year but also a time to strengthen family ties and celebrate their rich cultural heritage. Festivals like Fiichee-Chambalaalla remind us of the importance of tradition, community, and shared history. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about Ethiopian culture and history.